Let's see a quick demo of how this AI appointment setter works. So this helps businesses to book appointments with their customers just using a natural language, and also this has the capability to answer any kind of questions about a specific business as well. So in this demo we have provided all the information related to this highticketcoaching.com. So whatever the questions asked by the customers will be answered using the business information available on this website as well. So let's see a live demo of how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here, and here we are in the Instagram. First of all, this can actually works on other channels as well. Likewise, it can work on Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and even on the website as well. But in this video, I'm going to show the demo on the Instagram itself. So let me start with messaging, sending a message over here. So as I mentioned, this actually works using the business information available on this highticketcoaching.com. So we have provided business information about this particular website. So let me ask a question: who is the founder? So let me ask this question and start the chatbot over here, and after that I will actually trigger the appointment scheduling as well. So high ticket coaching is Armin Shaf, and it's simply answered over here. So now let's see how this AI appointment works. First of all, it actually have this calendar connected over here, so you can easily create any kind of calendars for your business by going through this tools option, and here by going to this appointment scheduling, and in the calendar we have only just 1 day availability. So here you can name the calendar name, you can add any kind of description, and when people can book. As you see here, people can only book on Monday and only from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So that's how we actually set up the availability over here, and you can set the phone call or those kind of things, and you can even set the notifications as well when the appointment is booked, and you can even send notifications like 10 minutes and 1 hour before. Those kind of things are possible as well, and you can even set restrictions when they actually book as well. So that's a quick overview of how this calendar is set up, so you can actually understand the customers can only book on Mondays. So here let me start the scheduling process. So let's say I can say like I want to schedule an appointment, something like that. So when someone actually wants to say this kind of intent, so if their intent is to schedule an appointment, it simply asks for their details. So for example, it actually asks for their name, email, phone number, and the preferred date and time. So here I'm just going to provide the name, John at gmail.com. So here I'm just providing the name and email. Let's see what happens over here. Thank you, John. Could you please provide me with your phone number and preferred date and time for the appointment as well? So it simply asks for the other details as well. So here I'm going to do here is that I want to change the email to a different email. Can I change the email to this particular email? So let's see what happens over here. I want to change the email. Of course, I update the email to could you please provide your phone number and the preferred date and time for the appointment. So it captured the name as John and the email as this one. So before that, whatever the chat or conversation happens over here will be triggered over here. So here, whatever the conversation, you can actually check these details over here. And let me go back over here as well. So here, let me provide a phone number. So let me provide the phone number over here. Let me ask, how about next Tuesday? As you remember, we only have availability on Monday and only from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Let's see how this actually responds to us over here. So I provide the phone number and it says, thank you, John. I apologize, but it seems the next Tuesday is not available. I have some available times on Monday, October 16th, 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. It simply says we don't have availability on next Tuesday and availability on these kind of dates. So here, if we go back to this appointment scheduling over here, and here we can actually check for the availability over here as well. So when people can book 9 to 12 a.m. and in terms of appointments, we don't have any appointments over here. So we can actually ask, can we do it on October 16th 9 a.m. because 9 a.m. should be available according to our calendar. So let's see what happens over here. So it should have the availability. Great, your appointment has for high ticket coaching has been scheduled, and it simply send me this information as well. And here the beautiful thing is that it can actually send the email as well. So let me open the email which actually sent over here, and it says, hi John, we accept to confirm your high ticket coaching, the appointment details over here. And if I click on this particular email appointment details, they can actually check what sort of the calendar, the description, and also the appointment date and time as well. So let me show how this actually works. So as you see, high ticket coaching, and they can have the option to cancel the appointment as well. So we also receive an SMS as well. So let me show the SMS as well. So as you see here, this is the SMS we received: appointment confirmation, high ticket coaching, October 16th, 9 a.m. and more information, just a calendar link. And apart from this, as an admin or an agent, you can check whether this particular person scheduled an appointment or not. So if I refresh this particular inbox over here, so this is actually omni-channel inbox. Here you can check the email, so the name and the email I provided, the phone number, and also the preferred date and time. And here you can check the appointments as well. So here, if you want to cancel the appointment, you can do that as an admin as well, and you can actually check their appointments, those kind of details as well. And let's say if you want to create a new appointment for this customer, you can do that as well. So you can simply select the calendar, and you can send the link to the customer to book an appointment by themselves, or you can actually go to the calendar yourself and book an appointment as well. So here, if I go to that booking page, here you can find the availability on Monday. And as you know, for the Monday 9 a.m. we already booked, so 9 a.m. shouldn't be available over here. We have availabilities from 9:30 a.m. So you can even book appointments by yourself as well. So here, let me book another appointment for this customer by 9:30 a.m. See here, if I refresh this particular page over here, we should see the second appointment as well. So as you see here, 9:30 a.m. and the customer received another confirmation that they have actually booked this particular 9:30 a.m. schedule as well. So we actually received the SMS as well for the 9:30 a.m. Let's say I want to cancel this appointment. So let me open this SMS message. The customer can cancel from by clicking this more information as well. So let me simply cancel this appointment. So appointment has been cancelled, and let's see what happens. And I received an immediate SMS over here saying your appointment for high ticket coaching on this particular 9:30 a.m. has been cancelled. And if we go to the Instagram, we also receive that particular cancellation message as well. So if we go to the Instagram, we actually receive this particular cancellation message as well. This is how this AI appointment setter works, and you can even customize accordingly for your business as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.